guys, welcome to my channel, The Other Side KE. It's your girl Maya. Thank you so much for tuning into this episode. As usual, first things first, I ask you to like, to share, to comment down below, to subscribe, and to watch my videos or my content. Okay, we are on the road, the journey to 1,000 subscribers. So tell all your friends, all your family members. In fact, do this, just go on your phone on the contact list and send my link to everyone you know. Okay, share my content, tell them to like, to comment, to share, because we're on the road to 1,000 and it's helping my channel grow. So I will really appreciate you guys for this. But to those who are subscribing, I don't know what to say. I am so thankful. I tell you guys all the time, but I'm so grateful and thankful for each and every one of you. Keep it up. Thanks, guys. Anyway, so today I got my package yesterday. I had a package delivered from Nairobi to Malindi yesterday, Monday, and then it came yesterday and it arrived and I opened it. I didn't want to open it without you guys, but I did because I was so excited. But yesterday I had to attend my friend's talk. My friend was having a talk at the museum here in Malindi, and I had to go support her. So it was a beautiful talk. I didn't really shoot content or record for you guys, but we had a good time. I learned so much about the talk that we were having. Anyway, so today I am going to, of course I've opened these things, but I want to show you guys together. Yeah, so it's a three-in-one setup. And the first things first, should I start with the smallest or the biggest? Let me go for the biggest. So, you guys, I have been dreaming about this for a really long time. I didn't think I would get it as soon as I did, but it's evident that I had to because I just had to. So this first package, let me show you guys now. It is a stand. I got a stand. Yes, it's a 3-in-1, and this is the first thing. It's a stand. I can put my phone here now. I don't have to get tired. I mean, holding my phone and just getting so tired all the time, it's shaking, and you know, it's just not my thing anymore. So I got this stand. It expands. It's very long. Maybe I can show you guys with one. Oopsie. I can show you guys with one leg. So it expands. It's really long. It expands and it's a good size. It's like, you can't even see it from this angle, but it has these clips on the side, and then those clips, you just open them and the stand expands. So now I don't have to hold my phone. Now when I'm doing interviews, I don't have to be behind the camera. I can be in front of the camera and we can have like a conversation with whoever is being interviewed. That's the first thing. Or I can just be in the, you know, me, I don't like to miss out. So now I can be part of whatever is happening on the front side, and I'm so excited. So this is the first thing. It's the stand, and it also has like a remote control here. Though you can use it manually as well. You can expand it, you can rotate it according to what you want, but it also has a remote control, so you have to set it up and stuff. Interesting. I cannot wait to try it out. I assembled it myself, and it's gotten to a point, I assembled this as well, it's gotten to a point where now I have to, what is it called? I have to ask the guys who delivered it, because there's just some information. It's falling apart, sorry. There's just some information that I need, and this stand specifically did not come with a manual, so we just have to figure it out. But the guys are so nice. He told me he's going to call through WhatsApp in the next like 30 minutes, and then he's going to just direct me on how to do it the right way, because I don't want to break anything. I don't want to dismantle anything that I shouldn't. So that's what I'm waiting for. So this is the first thing. It came in this box and it has a bag. So now I can just be walking around with this bag, you know, all professional. Yeah, so that's the first thing. I'm super excited. Number two, what is number two? Let me show you guys. Let's go from the big one and then to the slightly bigger one, and then to now the smallest. The second thing that I have here is, I'm so excited for this, you guys. It's a microphone. I got a microphone finally. This is how it looks. Finally I got a microphone. This is how it looks at the back when you don't have the thing, this thing, the wind protector thing. I have done, I think, 2 or 3 interviews. I've noticed that I'm actually quite good when it comes to the interviews. You know how when I was starting out, I was just trying to figure out my space on YouTube. but I really like engaging and learning and having conversation with people. So the 2 times or the 3 times that I've had interviews, it's been a problem because of the wind, number one. Number two, I'm always louder. I project louder than maybe the person I'm asking, because I am aware that I don't have a microphone, but maybe the person I'm going to interview is not aware, so they're just speaking normally, So I project louder because I know that I lack the microphone. But now I have it, and this is how it looks. I am so excited. So this is the microphone itself. This is the fluffy thing, the windbreaker. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, it prevents wind from, it helps the microphone get the exact sounds that you want, as opposed to the surrounding wind and trees and all that. So yeah, that's just how it looks. It comes off. So this is how it looks when it stands on its own. Maybe I can just remove this as well. So this is the microphone on its own, and then it has this. Let me put it there. And then this one is just for stability as well. This is what now will be attached to the stand somehow, and then when it's attached to the stand, now I can use it. Oh, you guys, I've just figured out something else right now, and I'm super excited. Okay. I think this is where the microphone will be going. So the phone is here, and then the microphone. I think, I'm not sure. So don't. It's just a girl trying to learn over here. So let's hope that's where it goes. I am hoping. I don't know. Yeah, or maybe here is where the light will be going. So there's this thing. Anyway, yeah. So it came with two. It's the box, and then it came with two. Let me just put it back to how it was. So this is how it looks. I put it on like now the stand. That's how it will be looking. And then it came with 2 cables. This one is not what I'm going to be using right now because I don't have a camera. I'm using my phone. So I'll just put this on standby. But one day soon, from my lips to God's ears, one day soon I am going to get a camera. Trust you me. And then this one is now what I'll be using. I attach it here, and then I attach it also on my phone. And business continues as usual. So I'm super excited for this. It came in this thing, and then this box. Yeah, so that's the second thing. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so happy. I told you guys April is my month. Did I not tell you guys this? Did I know I was going to get a stand and a microphone and something else? No. Did I know I was going to get the opportunities that I did in April? No. But I believe this is when you bless yourself and when you have confidence in yourself, this is exactly what God just wants to bless us, all the time. We should be ready, because I said April, I said I was excited for April, and here is April. This is which date? 13th, and God is just doing wonders in my life already. Yeah, so the box, and oh yeah, sorry, it also came with this to protect it. So I'll be putting my microphone. I'm so excited, I'm even shrubbing. I'll be putting forgive me, I will be putting my microphone inside here, and it's so amazing. Yeah, so this is what I can use to protect it. I don't know if you can just fit in the entire. Let's see, let's try it out. Oh, it does guys, it does. So I can just close it up and seal it, and together with this bag for the stand, I'm super professional. I mean, who this? Yeah, this one came with a manual, so I have figured it out a bit better than everything else. Let me see. Wait. Yes, so it's this. I got a light as well. I'm so excited. Everything in this 3-in-1 serves a purpose, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Yani, you guys. Anyway, there's a God. I'm so grateful. I'm excited. I got these things with the support of my mom and my sister. And it means they believe in me just as much as I do to myself. I know they believe in me. So having them support me in this aspect and helping me get this stand and this microphone and this light, it goes a long way, and I'm really appreciative. I don't know what I will say. I'm grateful. I'm not trying to get emotional here on YouTube, on the YouTube streets. I don't want to become a meme or, you know, something. But anyway, so this is the light, this is the box, and then this is the front side, and this is how it looks. It's the smallest item out of the three, but it's the brightest. It shines bright like a diamond. It's very bright. So this is the back. Okay, you guys, maybe I should wear my shades because it's pretty bright. Let me just do this. Let me switch it on with you guys. So this is the power button. I don't know if you guys can see it. And then let's just switch it on. There we go. It's pretty bright already. But here is where it tells you the percentage. And it also came with a charger, a C plug or a type C type of charger. And these are all the colors it offers. Yeah, so right now it's currently actually on like purple. I don't know if you guys can see. And now it's like on orange. And then it turned to green. But you can pick. Let me just show you guys for a minute. It's super bright. You can pick whatever color you want, and then you can adjust the strength here. You can also pick the color you want here. So it just does a lot of things. It also like flashes according to what you want. I don't know why it's not doing that right now, but it does. Like it was flashing sometime. Maybe I don't know. But it's super bright. It's super bright. So now even when I'm doing like I'm shooting my videos at night or in the evening, it's clear. You guys can actually see me. Like right now, you can let me put it there next to my phone. So you see, you guys can see me a bit better. So it's also a good light. It came with the charger, and this one also came with the manual, but it didn't come with a bag. So I have to be super careful with it. Yeah, it came inside of this. Just gotten the call. So after I've shown you guys, let me just sit nicely now. I've mounted my phone. This is my old phone because I'm using my current phone to shoot this video. So I've mounted the camera here, and you can adjust it according to how you want. You can, you know, turn it all around. You can take it back, whatever tickles your fancy. I'm just so excited. And then I've had a call with the gadget guys. So I was wondering where the camera, I deserve a camera at this point. I was wondering where the microphone goes, but now he's explained it to me. Man, CDI gadgets, you guys are the best. You guys are truly the best. Their customer care service is just, it's on top. So he's explained that I'm supposed to, So first thing, let me just remove this. So the first thing, the LED light is supposed to go here. It's called a shoe, but I have to unscrew this first. I'll have to get pliers because I've tried with my hands and it almost broke off my index finger on my right hand, and I'm not trying to joke with my hands anymore. So he said it goes there, and then now this one, the LED light has like different shoes. They're called shoes. You can place the microphone here or here or here. So after this enters here, now you can place this here. Let me just show you guys. I can put it here, and then it has a screw that I can tighten with. So I just tighten with the screw that it has come with, and then it will all go there. It will all go there. So my phone will be recording, and then it will be attached to the, just a minute, sorry guys. It could be attached to the phone. Things are just falling. Wow, Maya. Wow, good job. And then you just attach it there. It goes like that. And then with the stand. So while my phone is recording, the microphone is on, and then also the light. Whoops, sorry. And then you can also put it like this, or like, you know, like this. Or like this. It's just how you want it, and you can use this, but there's also like a remote, but you can use this to like control it to how you want it to now be and like where you want it to stand, and it's complete now. So let me see who can open for me this screw part over here, and then we'll check it out with you guys now with this current phone. But I'm so excited. I'm so thankful. Yeah, I don't have a lot to say after this. It's just vibes. I'm so ready to now give you guys the best content that I can truly give you guys. But yeah, I got a microphone, and then I got a light and a stand, and then now my phone. This is my old phone, so it's just an example, but it's more or less the same size. And then you're saying that you see, I don't know what this does. There's so many screws, I'll just have to figure them out. But yeah, I'm just so excited. And then you can just dismantle it here. There's this screw that either you can stretch it, it can become longer or shorter according to what you want, you see. And as I continue to screw it, it becomes small. Yeah, and then you just put your phone. So that's my stand, guys, my 3-in-1 that I'm super excited about. And I hope that you guys are also excited for me, and I hope that you guys are ready for better, newer, louder content. Okay. I'll catch up with you guys in the next one.